Hutchinson Health is investing in a new inpatient wing attached to the existing hospital. This facility will be approximately 17,000 square feet and will house 18 new inpatient rooms.
When people come to our community, they're looking for good jobs, excellent schools, and good health care. And Hutchinson Health has served as a leader of the region in that area, and the expansion that's going on behind me here will only assist in providing that excellent service.
The new unit will serve patients of all kinds. It'll serve our pediatrics all the way up to our geriatric population. We will serve the medical patients, the surgical patients, and the intensive care patients. We're going with a model called acuity adaptable. That means the room will flex up for what the patient needs. The patient will not have to move rooms. The room will change for them.
I think the hospital is I would say a unique place in a community. Hopefully most individuals don't need to spend time there, but those who need the care that require an in-hospital stay, it's important that we have the most modern of a facility as we can. This is already a stressful time for the patients and the families, and so by providing a newer room with more modern amenities, the patient can feel more relaxed while the medical care continues.
My favorite part of the new wing is just updated space. That'll really be great for me, for the patients, their family, in addition to a little extra space to make it much more comfortable for all of us.
Features that we are looking forward to in the new unit are what we call zones. So we're going to have a staff zone, a patient zone, and a family zone, and those will be clearly defined with flooring and different amenities that are laid out in the room. The nurse zone is going to be right when you walk into the door. It's going to have a sink, it's going to have a nurse server that's going to hold all of the equipment that we need to perform our job, a computer, and the bathroom, all right there. The patient zone is going to have a different color flooring so that we know that's where the patient should be. And family zones are going to have a couch. It's going to be right against the wall, right next to their family member, and a place for them to eat lunch with them, have supper with them, but also great electrical outlets so that they can work while they're also with their family member if needed.
And I think the windows are going to be one of the favorites for patients because the whole back wall where the couch is for the family zone is going to be one very large window.
The goal will make Hutchinson a more of a regional presence here, not only for the city and community of Hutchinson, but you think of the surrounding farming communities, the smaller towns here that people already are coming to see us here in Hutchinson. We'll be able to allow and provide for them more care so they also won't be having to travel greater distances.
The design team here at Hutchinson Health has taken the future into account. We want this unit to work today, tomorrow, and 10 years in the future.
You know, over the years, I've helped with recruiting physicians coming to the area, and as we tour the hospital, they're impressed with the hospital. Doesn't seem as old as it really is, and I think the new addition is going to be a huge improvement on that. So as far as recruiting staff and keeping care local, I think that'll be an important benefit for this also.
If you're thinking about donating to this expansion and this update, know that your money is going towards a tremendous cause, one that is needed, I think is overdue, quite frankly, and something that will provide a betterment for the patients in this community to stay in this community.
We are excited to be a regional healthcare provider, and this expansion will help us support our effort and mission here at Hutchinson Health.
We've always been, providing fantastic care to the community of Hutchinson. Now with this update, we're going to be able to provide even greater amounts of care with a greater depth, but continue with that fantastic and world-class medical care.